Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 3. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission for many purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 317. And if we start with this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 1. 3 here, so 2, 3. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 5, 6, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 5. 9 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 2. But I don't see any other help. So 1, 7, 1, 7. For this row, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this column now, we're missing a 5. For this column, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7, and that 7 makes this our 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 7. We've got 2 and 4 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 4, 2. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 9. 6 here, so 1, 9. 9 here, so 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got 3 and 6 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 3, 6. That 1 makes this our 9, 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 8. For this row, we're missing a 6. For this row, we're missing a 5. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. For this column now, we're missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. And for this box, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got 2 and 3 here, so this is our 6. 2 here, so 3 and 2. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.